Welcome back to your go-to source for real-time crypto analysis. If you're passionate about staying ahead of the curve in the fast-moving world of digital assets, you're in the right place. If you've been glued to the charts, you know what just happened. Bitcoin detonated a massive short squeeze and the shockwaves are everywhere. The market's been buzzing and traders are scrambling to adjust their positions. But here's the big question. Does this breakout actually have legs, or is it just another hype-fueled fakeout? Let's break it down and see what the data is really telling us. Right now, Bitcoin has pushed above a crucial short-term resistance, setting off liquidations all across short positions. This move wasn't just technical, it was psychological, forcing bears to cover and fueling even more upside. This wasn't some random moonshot. The price action was calculated, with buyers stepping in at key levels and volume surging as shorts got squeezed out. All that built-up liquidity just above $107,000, gone in a flash. The order books thinned out, and price ripped through those levels with barely any resistance. And this isn't just talk, the liquidation heat map confirms it. You can literally see the clusters of liquidated shorts lighting up the charts. Shorts got wiped out, and now there's even more pressure for the price to climb higher. With fewer sellers left in the market, the path upward looks clearer, at least for now. My eyes are glued to $109,000, $110,000, and maybe even $112,000 as the next big resistance levels. But let's zoom out and get some perspective on the bigger picture. On the weekly chart, Bitcoin's still in that strong macro uptrend. The higher time frames are showing consistent higher highs and higher lows, which is exactly what bulls want to see. The super trend indicator, still flashing green. That's a clear sign that the overall trend remains bullish and momentum is still on the side of the buyers. But here's where it gets interesting. Momentum lately has been lagging. Some traders are starting to get cautious, wondering if the rally is running out of steam. The MACD nearly flipped bearish until this bounce shook things up. That sudden reversal caught a lot of people off guard and reignited bullish sentiment. Zoom into the RSI on the weekly, there's a lurking bearish divergence, higher highs in price but lower highs in RSI. That's a warning sign, and it's something experienced traders are watching closely. But if we break above December's RSI peak, that red flag disappears. It would signal renewed strength and could open the door for another leg up. Keep your eyes peeled there. So what's my move? Let's talk strategy for a second. Personally, I've kept my long open since the breakout above $88,000. I'm letting the trend do the heavy lifting and I'm not looking to micromanage every tick. For me, it's a swing, not a scalp. I'm aiming to capture the bigger move, not just a quick profit. My stop loss is sitting safely below a key support, and I'm scaling out profits as we approach all-time highs. Risk management is everything in these volatile conditions. Remember, the big bounce kicked off right from that solid $101,000 to $102,000 support, no breakdown below that, and the bulls are still in control. That's the line in the sand for this rally. Quick look at Ethereum. It bounced neatly from $2,400 and is pushing into heavy resistance at $2,700 to $2,880. ETH is following Bitcoin's lead, but it's got its own hurdles to clear. There's a bull flag forming. If ETH breaks above $2,800 with a strong daily close, I'm targeting $3,600. That's a big move, and the setup is looking promising. But no breakout, no trade. Patience is key. Don't force it if the setup isn't there. Altcoins are waking up too. We're seeing fresh momentum across the board, with several names starting to break out of their ranges. Solana's got a textbook bullish divergence on the 8-hour, bouncing off $143, $146 with targets at $158 and $180. The setup is clean, and the risk-reward looks solid. XRP, possible double bottom in play, watch $2.35 for the breakout. If it clears that level, we could see a strong move higher. Chainlink is rebounding off $12.80. The bulls are stepping in, and the trend is starting to shift. If it can clear $15.50, $17.50 is on the table. Keep an eye on volume for confirmation. Bottom line, this Bitcoin breakout looks real, and it's pulling the rest of the market with it. The crypto space is heating up, and opportunities are everywhere. But don't get blinded by the hype. Stick to your strategy, keep your stops tight, and respect those resistance levels. The market can turn quickly, so protect your capital. If you're ready for action, get set up on your favorite exchange, and brace yourself, because this short squeeze could just be the beginning. The next few days could be explosive, so stay alert. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-time crypto breakdowns and check out the next video for deeper altcoin analysis. Stay sharp and happy trading.